Hi guys, welcome to our channel Stuff About tutorial, and in this tutorial we will discuss how to check messages on Freelancer. So guys, once you're logging into your Freelancer account, then you will see here, look at the right bottom of the screen. Here you will see messages. All the messages you receive will be shown over here in this chat box, and you can click on any chat and you can chat and you can get all the details from your client. And if you are not comfortable with this chat box, then you can go on your inbox as well, and just look at the top of the screen. Here you will see messages icon, and you have to keep your cursor over here, and then you have to click on view all. Once you will click on view all, then you will see all the chats and all the messages over here, and then you can chat, you can talk with your clients easily. So guys, this is how to check messages on Freelancer. Hope you like this video. Thank you so much. Good luck.